Hello there, I am Tugustu Zaryun. This is my channel, Motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. I will continue the grade 9 information technology textbook with the second unit, which is unit 2 about computer network. I'll introduce you the unit outcomes at the end of this unit. Learners will be able to define what a computer network is. You have to define what a computer network is, identify the blocks of computer network, the compare and contrast the basic types of networks, LAN, MAN, WAN, based on geographical location, and client server versus peer-to-peer based on the resource sharing. And the other point, you have to describe the topologies of network and discuss the advantage and disadvantage of network. As the last, you have to draw simple network diagrams using network device symbols. What's the unit overview? This unit focuses on computer network, mainly on the internet and internet services. But we have a chance to hear about people say a network, but what do you mean by a network? Here is a definition for network. Network is a collection of devices such as computer, server, mainframe, network device, peripherals, and other devices for purpose of resource sharing. Just people say there is no network. In short, means there is no connection. When you say network, it is a connection of devices such as computers. It can be between computers, it can be between servers. When you say server, a computer that gives with an access for other computers. A computer with high storage capacity. A computer with high data processing capability is a server. For instance, if you use star asterisk A04 hash, you'll get a balance check. From where we get? From the server computer. We are a clients, we are a users. A computer on the side of Ethio Telecom is a server. And mainframe is a type of computer that performs big or huge data financial data. Network device, it can be a connection of network devices like router, switch, and others. Peripherals, when we say peripheral like scanner, printer, or other devices. Why we establish a network? For the purpose of resource sharing. We connect the computers for the case of resource sharing. When we say resource sharing, it can be for the exchange of information or it can be for sharing of device like printer and scanners. An example of a network is the internet, which is a best example, which is the wide area network, is an internet which connects millions of devices and people all over the world. Sometimes the internet is the largest global network. Here is a home network that connects a switch that connects with tablet, television, ISP, internet service provider, laptop, smartphone. They are connected with a switch and they can get and access the switch gets from or a router gets from ISP. The ISP is the internet service provider. Here is a router gets access from the internet service provider. Our internet service provider can be Ethio Telecom in our country case, according to the text published, and nowadays thanks to the technology additional service provider, which is Safaricom. The central network device in turn connected with the global network through an internet service provider, companies such as Ethio Telecom. Additionally, we have other service providers. If you want to have an internet connection or service, you must contact the internet service provider, which is Ethio Telecom. What are the fundamental elements of network? There are fundamental elements under a network. What are these? Let us see here. What are the building blocks of a computer? Hardware and software are the building elements of a computer. Without hardware or software, the computer cannot do by itself. We must have the two components together. Like that, any network, to establish any network, we must have a necessary building elements. What are these? Networks are comprised of four basic elements: hardware, software, protocols, and connection medium. All data networks are comprised of these elements and cannot function without them. If one of the components misses, we cannot have a functional network. If the software misses or the hardware misses, we cannot get a functional network. All data networks are comprised of this element and cannot function without them. Hardware, software, protocols, and connection medium are working together. The backbone of any network is the hardware that runs it. What the backbone? A network. In case of a computer system, is the operating software. Without operating software, the computer has no life. In case of a network, the backbone of any network is the hardware. How can we say like this? Because the majority of the components or elements are categorized under hardware that it is the backbone of the network. Network hardware includes in devices like sending and receiving. When we say in devices, the sending and receiving device, one acts as the sender and the other acts as the receiver. The other intermediate devices, which are network cards, and the intermediate device can be network cards. The intermediate device can be routers or network switches, modems, and Ethernet repeaters. In order for the hardware to interact with the network, it needs software to issue commands. How can we command a computer? By using software. Without hardware, it cannot function by itself. Therefore, we must have a software also to command, to collaborate and work with that of hardware. The primary form of networking software is protocols. Are the part of, when you say protocol, a unique number, it is the part of the rules and regulations that help us to communicate each devices is a protocol. Therefore, a protocol is a part of software. Again, the connection monitoring software that monitors the time established from the network, it counts. And the network operating system, like the computer operating system, must be included under a network, and client and other goods. In general, fundamental elements of network are in devices, the internet, intermediate devices, communication protocols, which are rules held in the form of software, and transmission media, wired or wireless. How can we connect each of the computers? By using the wire cables or by wireless means. How these the devices are connected together? By using connection transmission medium, mostly by using cables. Then how can we get the internet access? Each of the devices, if we have two computers, we must connect with the switch, and they can get the switch from the internet service provider or router. Then they can get our internet indirectly from the switch computers. We give a router internet access to the switch, and the computers get from the switch. For today is enough. Thank you. Try to motivate and support me by subscribing my channel. Thank you.